Alright, so I'm working my way through number 18 of the metrology practice test for peds. And so we have your patient is to receive bolus tube feedings every 3 hours per feeding pump, and he's to receive 3 ounces over 45 minutes. So what's the hourly rate you need to set the feeding pump at in order to deliver this feeding? This one's a little bit more complicated, but we can get through it. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how many milliliters are in 3 ounces. And so we know we have 30 milliliters per ounce because we have to memorize that. And so we take 30 times 3, which gives us 90 milliliters in 45 minutes. 3 ounces in 45 minutes, 90 milliliters, okay? So now we need to figure out what our hourly rate is. So to do this, we set up a little bit of an algebra problem, okay? So the first thing I did was I set up a cross multiplication problem. So I have our 45 minutes out of 60 minutes an hour, so 45 minutes out of an hour, multiplied by 90 milliliters over x. So I'm trying to figure out what 45 is to 60, 90 is to what. So to do this, I'm going to cross multiply. So I take 60 times 90, just going across, which gives us 5,400. And then 45 times x. So you may be thinking, how am I going to do 45 times a letter? You just stick it next to it. So 45x is our result from cross multiplying over here. So moving on to this side, this is what I have here, 5,400 equals 45x. So to figure out what x equals, we're going to divide this over here by 45, and we have to do the same thing to the other side. So 5,400 divided by 45 gives us 120 equals x, which is our milliliters per hour rate for this that we're going to set it at to deliver 3 ounces over 45 minutes.